Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. You may be wondering if mold in your crawl space can spread throughout the rest of your home. That's the question we're going to tackle in this video today. So the short answer is yes, it can, but rarely do you see it growing up the walls unless you have a severe moisture problem in your house. And that becomes a real destructive thing is when you allow it to get to that point, because now it's growing inside your drywall. It's growing inside the ducts that run through your crawl space, distributing the air throughout your home. And so it certainly can. We don't see it happen a ton. When you neglect your crawl space or you neglect your basement, is that will give that the chance with high moisture levels to grow into your ducts, to grow into the stem walls of your house, inside the drywall, and start growing up towards the attic. As long as that moisture source or that food source is there for the mold, it's just going to continue to grow. So it's something that you definitely want to tackle when it's just in your crawl space. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions related to mold or biological growth, leave them in the comments below. Again, about 99% of the people watching this video have not subscribed to our channel, so please do. We would greatly appreciate it.